after polishing Dave, using the polish, which is this. I'd say that's like teacup, maybe a bit more polishy. Some places, some things say don't put silicone on your paintwork, but a lot of these polishes, yes, they've got silicone in. To read that later in bed. This is the burnishing cream, Pate P5. If I was being hypercritical now on my work, not on Dave's. Dave did a fantastic job spraying. I've got a little bit of orange peely here, so it needs a bit more burnishing. A bit more foggy lacquer there, you know, where it's been blown in. Need to do a bit more burnishing on that. And I've got some little dots, like, I don't know, see that there? I suppose I could flatten that off and then burnish it and polish it. Time consuming, you know. Look at that, lovely. Can't see what blending into the wing there, can you, really? That's where I've cleaned it. I think when it's out in the sun, it seems to have a little bit more life, this paint. When it's out in the sun. But then here it looks darker, doesn't it? It's just the angle of the light.